So today I would like to do an unboxing of the Yamaha XMV8280-D. So what is the Yamaha XMV8280-D? Well, it's an amplifier with Dante, and most importantly for me, it has 70 volt capabilities, which I will be primarily using with this amplifier. So this amplifier works in conjunction with the MTX5-D from Yamaha, which has Dante. And let's open it up and have a quick look at the amplifier. So here we have the instruction manual, some cable ties, the Euroblock / Phoenix connectors for connecting speaker wire, line level inputs, etc. These guys, which I don't quite remember what these are for. Power cable. Here's the actual unit. It's quite heavy. Let's see it inside. So it's a 2U rack mount. Mounting ears are quite robust. It does have some mounting on the ends here for a rail, but I shouldn't have to use a rail on this. I have another one installed somewhere in another restaurant, and I don't have any rails installed. So these rack ears are very capable of holding the unit in place on the rack quite securely. So let's take a look at the front here. On-off switch. It's a nice switch, got a nice feel to it. Protective cover on it so that it doesn't accidentally get turned off. This is a button to scroll through some functions, some mute button. This is an 8-channel. So we have our signal, limit, and protection lights for each channel here. And you can then push these buttons and scroll through the channels. And in the MTX editor, these will show up. These channels will show up in the software, A through H. Function. Scroll through various functions, power, alert in case there's a fault, primary and secondary lights and sync lights for Dante. You can lock the panel so nobody can fiddle with the buttons or change any kind of settings. Dual fans. These are actually very quiet fans. Very nice. On the back of the unit, I got the power connection. This is where the speaker wires, the output speaker wires, will go to. Phillips screws. Full output remote, I won't be using these. Dip switches to set the initial setup of the unit. Analog inputs, which I won't be using. Unit ID, this is like a rotary encoder to set the initial setup of, along with the dip switches, you use these to set up the unit. More dip switches for setting up the unit as well here. And primary and secondary LAN ports for Dante. So in terms of installation, The only thing I'm going to have connected to this, power cable, speaker wires, and a LAN port. Ethernet cable running from the unit to the MTX5-D. Actually, the two will be talking via a switch, a Yamaha switch. Nice clean setup. This is why I bought the Dante version versus using Yamaha's proprietary IP protocol called YDIF. I really like the Dante, having the switch, super clean, super easy. I have two Yamaha subs that I will be using the Dante subs, and they will be connected to the switch along with the amplifier and the processor. So everything's on an IP protocol, everything's on a LAN port. The only thing that's actually analog primarily in the whole system is the actual speakers, the VXC8 ceiling speakers that I would be using. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's quite heavy. The finish is very nice, just like the MTX5-D. You know, you can just tell it's very high quality. Nice finish on the front cover here. You know, it's just a well-made unit. And that pretty much covers it. So, thanks for watching.